First, let's acknowledge what cryptocurrency is. We'll do this with the example of the Bitcoin mining strategy.
Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates online without a central authority. It uses blockchain technology for secure transactions and allows people to send or receive money globally.
First of all, let's find out what is blockchain.
Blockchain is a secure, decentralized technology that records transactions in a chain of blocks, ensuring transparency and reliability. Every second, blockchain needs more blocks, and that's what mining is. It's a hard math calculations to make new blocks.
Let's talk more about mining.
There are three types of mining: on processor, on graphics cards, on ASICs.
First way is mining on the motherboard with processors. It's the most unpopular way of mining. It is unprofitable in usage of electric energy, and it has the smallest power of mining.
Second way of mining is using the graphics card. We need powerful graphics card and a good motherboard. Problem of this way is that it's very expensive. It has more power than processors, but it needs more energy.
Last way of mining is mining using ASICs. It has the largest efficiency, but ASICs are machines that can mine only one type of cryptocurrencies. For example, you bought S19K Pro, you can mine only Bitcoin, but it is the best way in ratio of price and quality. We'll use them.
There are two ways to start mining Bitcoin: solo mining and mining in the pool.
Mining Bitcoin in solo means that you mine only using your ASIC, without any help. That way has very big risks and a really low chance to find the block. It is very not effective way. We do not recommend.
Mining in the pool means that we'll unite with another people, so our ASICs will mine in the team, and the block that will be found will be separated by number of people, and who got more power will get more Bitcoin. We recommend pools like Ant Pool or F2 Pool. These are Chinese pools.
Now you learned the base of mining.
Now we're gonna tell you about our business plan.
We're going to do mining on ASICs called S19K Pro that has hash rate up to 120 TH. That is a regular ASIC for beginners that will cost us $600. It uses 3 kilowatts and its coefficient of performance is 23.
The main problem of ASICs is that it produces a lot of heat, so we need to put them in the cold place, like separate room with a pair of ACs, so we would need more energy because of them.
We just found a perfect place that we can use for our plan. It's a room with area of 73 meters square that will cost us 7,300 hryvnias. But on the negative side is that we have to carry out electricity at our own, cause we don't have any workers yet.
On this blueprint, you can see sockets that will give us energy, ASICs that will mine Bitcoin, ACs that will conditionate our room in hot summer days, and a vent that will take hot air outside.
Here are the problems that we've got now. We are underage, very big risks, and we need workers.
First problem means that we can buy things and people.
This problem is really easy to solve. You just need to wait. Sadly, in our case, we need to wait for whole 5 years.
Second problem is that Bitcoin is a really unstable currency. When your ASIC mines the same amount of Bitcoin, the value of Bitcoin can often change really noticeably.
Third problem is also pretty easy to solve. We'll get workers and electricians from a company called DIM Master.
Let's count how much money we need to start our business. 7 ASICs S19K Pro. That will cost us 6,9300 hryvnias. Energy 887 hryvnias daily. Room 7,300 per month. AC 30,000 hryvnias. And workers 50,000 hryvnias.
We will achieve this money by robbing the bank.
Our month profit is equal to $512, so we will pay off in 41 months.
Now, you know everything you need to know about our business plan. You need to understand that our profit will rise with time.
Summary. We'll mine Bitcoin on ASICS S19K Pro. We'll mine in Antpool. We have a great room, 73 meters square. Workers from DIM Master. Profit of $512 month. Problem with starting capital.